How to set iPhone 16e to announce incoming calls when using headphones or calls audio system. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and then click on apps. After clicking on apps, then scroll down and here you can see the option phone. Now click on phone and then click on announce calls. If you select never, then your call will not announce, and if you select headphone only, your call will be announced while using your headphone. And if you select headphones and car, your call will announce while using headphones or car audio. And if you select always, your call will announce always while using your headphones, cars, and other thing. Your call will be announced. So this is the way to set your iPhone 16e to announce incoming calls when using headphones or car audio system in iPhone 16e. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.